Hi folks, Jonas Cain here for another edition of Magic Words, here for the third installment of our 5-episode series on the 5 promises of love. Last week we talked about repentance. The week before we talked about gratitude. This week the promise is forgiveness. So when we say that we love someone, what we're really doing is we're saying that we forgive them for anything that they may have done to ever hurt us, anything that they are currently doing to hurt us, or anything that they will do to hurt us. When we love someone, we give them the benefit of the doubt to know that they love us too, and that they would never knowingly and intentionally do something to hurt us. That is, if they're following this model of love. So that's it. We have forgiveness, we have repentance, we have gratitude. Next week we'll talk about the 4th promise of love. Until then, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.